Well, if you change your mind, you know outside of... What a great idea. He had 2 Christmas cards by the front door. I laid them somewhere. I don't know where he got them from. And then he had that little topiary thing laying over, too. You gotta love him, you know? Got him. Yeah, man. But it was empty, so I didn't think it was, you know, a big deal. But man, he chewed the heck out of it. So, and I think he devours that rawhide stuff. Gone, you know. Oh well.
Kitty,
Oh
kitty.
my God, yes he did, unless he hit him somewhere. He was probably happier at home than at Shadows Smoke. Yeah.